Imaging Spectrum has it, and you have been waiting for it. Introducing the Fujifilm Frontier DX400, exceptional expressiveness through expert photography. The Fujifilm Frontier printer utilizes a 6-color ink system that adds sky blue and pink to the standard 4 colors: cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. Leveraging years of expertise in photography, Fujifilm achieves rich gradation and outstanding color reproduction, providing optimal photo quality. Let's unbox this printer. Begin by opening the case and carefully removing the printer, which is secured with tape and wrapped in plastic and foam for safe transport. Start by cutting the blue tape and removing the foam from the printer. Next, open the front door and lower the bay doors for the ink, then remove any interior tape and cardboard situated above the media spindle. Once all tape is removed, you can close the printer. If you haven't done so already, remove the plastic and foam from underneath the printer. Now let's move on to the inks. Be sure to agitate each ink pouch before the initial installation. Remember, you don't need to shake them vigorously. Simply rock them back and forth about 30 times each. Now remove the ink pouches from their box and plastic wrappers. Note that these inks come in pouches rather than hard plastic cartridges. With the inks ready, plug in your Fujifilm Frontier DX400 printer and power it on. You will first see the Fujifilm logo on the display. The screen will then prompt you to select your preferred language. After selecting your language, you will need to choose the date format. We recommend the month, date, and year format. Enter the date and press OK to proceed. Next, you will select the time format, either 12-hour or 24-hour. We will choose the standard 12-hour format. Set the time and press OK to continue. The screen will now display Start Initial Charging. It will prompt you to install the ink supply unit, and then press OK. Proceed to install the ink pouches that you unboxed earlier. Open the ink bay doors and push the trays to eject them. You can remove them all at once or one at a time, depending on your preference. Remember to leave the maintenance box in the right bay at the top. Next, pull out the ink tray and remove the orange bracket to load the ink pouches. The tray has 2 notches on the sides to hold the ink pouch securely in place. Ensure that the plastic notches are flush with the pouch plastic as you load it into the printer. Repeat this process for the remaining 5 ink pouches. Once all ink pouches are loaded, refer back to the display screen and press OK. The Fujifilm Frontier DX400 will begin the initialization process. Do not turn off the printer during this time, as it will take approximately 10 minutes to charge the lines. When the priming is completed, the screen will indicate that the printer is ready to print, and you should begin loading media. To load media, remove the front door in the center, pulling it out and up. Use the pull handle to bring the media assembly forward. Then, take the media spindle out from the center. If you are facing the printer, remove the left side cap of the spindle by lifting the blue handle and sliding it off. The right side of the spindle is adjustable for different media sizes. Today, we will be loading 6-inch media into the Fujifilm Frontier DX400. Place the media on the spindle, ensuring the end faces outward when loading it into the printer. Reattach the left side cap of the spindle and ensure that both blue handles are flush with the end caps. Place the spindle and media back in the center and load the paper into the media assembly until you hear a beep or sound, indicating it is properly loaded. Adjust the blue tabs to fit the size of the media. Push the media tray back in and reattach the front door. The display will return to the Ready to Print status. Press OK to access the settings, navigate to the right, and select the third menu labeled Maintenance. Press OK again for the Print Head Nozzle check. When prompted, select Print the Nozzle Check pattern, and press OK to start. The Fujifilm Frontier DX400 will print a pattern which will fall into the attached catch tray on the front door. Once printed, check the pattern to ensure it is solid throughout. You can also view the printer's software version, serial number, and the date and time on the display. Call Imaging Spectrum today to get more information on the Fujifilm Frontier DX400.